Hello friend, this is Sanjay. How are you? Friend, first of all, welcome to my channel. Friend, today I am going to show you how you can use your WhatsApp in your local language. Local language means in your mother tongue basically. So first I will show you how you can use WhatsApp in your local language. First local language would be my mother tongue, also it's Bengali, and then it would be Hindi. That's our national language. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first let's launch WhatsApp. So where is mine? So let me launch this app. So it's launched. So now you need to go this three dot here, you can see beside search. So just click on three dots and there will be new pop-up window come out, and here is a setting option. Just go to settings and then directly go to chats, and then here's the apps language. You need to change it according to your favor. If you want change it into Hindi, then you need to select Hindi or Bangla or other language. So first I would like to choose Bangla, so let me click on Bangla. So you can see it just changed into Bengali. It's looking nice, his chat and all that. So let me back it to the home. So it's the interface how is looking in Bengali font. So it's saying Amar city. That's we familiar with status, which is really nice. Good. So that's it. This is how we can change uh, WhatsApp's language, and we can use it in our mother tongue or other language. So if this video helped you to learn something new, so please hit like and share it to your friends and family, and do comment, and please do subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.